Hello, you're welcome back. So today we are going to continue with getting to know the home page of QuickBooks. Now, during the first class, we talked about what we have on the home page, on the right side, and on the left side of QuickBooks. So today we're going to look at the tabs that we have in QuickBooks. Let's start from File menu. When you click on File menu, you're going to see New Company. This is where you create, when you open a new company, you can create a new company by using this option. Then we have open or restore company, open preferred company, open second company, backup the company, and we have utilities where you import, export file, list of the file to export, convert from other software, and the rest. So we also have print, app management, shipping, send forms, and the rest from the home page. So we have the edit option. The edit option will not show much items. Okay, but okay, in this case, let me select um, purchase or enter bill. So when you click on enter bill, and you go back to edit, you're going to see a lot of things that we can do with a bill. So you can close this. So let's try and see. Click on inventory, items, and then go back to edit. You're going to see the functions that have to do with inventories at that time. So whichever, whatever um, item you selected or any window opened will determine what you have on your edit buttons. And on the edit, also we also have what is called preference. So when you select preference, you're going to see a lot of things you can do with that preference. And we're going to learn about this as we move on in the lesson of QuickBooks learning mastery course. So, okay. Now, so that's what we can do with edit. We also have what is called view option here. The view, this select what, how you want your icon to show. For example, you want the icon to show at the top instead of having by the left side. Currently, we have the left icon bar. You can see all the icons on the left side. If you select the top icon bar, you're going to see your icon showing at the top. And this gives you more space to work, really. When you use top icon, you have more space to work. Down here, we also have on the view, you can hide the icon bar totally. You can hide the icon bar, and you can also, we also have one window, multiple windows. If you have a favorite menu, you can also make your favorite menu to be hidden. You see that we have favorite menu here, but now it is hidden. So let me show the favorite menu back, and you can see we have a new menu called favorite. So what is favorite menu doing here? Select favorite menu. So here you can add, if there are some report that you use from time to time, or there are some menus you use from time to time, you can add them to favorite. So instead of looking for it up and down, just click on favorite and you go to see your list on the favorite. Select the item list, add, select this, add, and then you click OK. So when next you need those items, click on this and you can see your favorite list here under the favorite tab. Then move to accountant. In your cases, you in case you're not using an accountant premier accountant function, you may not have this option showing. But if you are using the accountant function, you're going to see this. This accountant function, you have what is called accountant center from here. So when you select this, you're going to see what you can do as an accountant, so go to see the accountant center here. So there are a lot of things you can do from this page, and go to see them as we move on in the training. So we also have the chart of account view, and most about it, you see the batch enter transaction. Here you can enter in batches. Instead of having the transaction in one by one of the normal posting of one by one, you can batch post. You can batch post invoice. You can batch post payment, inventory, and so many things you can buy. You can batch post from using this option. You can make journal entries, journal entries. We have client reviews where you have to classify transaction, the write off invoices. So we have a lot of things, merge vendors, troubleshoot inventory, and the rest. So you can do a lot of things here. And we have uh, QuickBooks My File Manager and the rest. So working trial balance, there are a lot of things you can do on the accountant. These are the regular, not the regular thing that you don't do on the normal posting. You can do on the accountant. We also have the option called company. From this menu, you can see we have a lot of things here. We have the home page. You want to go back to the home page where we are currently. The company snapshot. When you select snapshot, it's going to show you the status of the company. It's going to show you a lot of reports on the company and charts, bar chart, pie chart, and the rest. So you're going to see your company represented in different graphs. So we have the payment here where you can see other report that has to do with payment. We have report that has to do with customers. So you have all this report under the company. We also have a calendar, document, document centers. We have lead centers. Then we have my company. Here you can edit some of the information you entered while creating the company. So you can come back here and edit. If you want to add an information or change any of the information you provided while setting up the company. So we have the company. So we have set closing date. We use this option when you want to set a closing date and you don't want perhaps you want to select a date after which no one can go and edit whatever has been posted. Imagine you submitted the report maybe on the 10th of every month, and at the end of the month, the following month, some of the report has changed. So before you submit, whoever want to make any changes must make the changes before the 10th of the next month. Then we'll have planning and budgeting. Here you can set up budget and the rest. We have to do list, set of account, manage currency here, and enter vehicle mileage and the rest. So there are a lot of things you can do while working with um, QuickBooks. Then we have the customer. On customer, we have customer center. We're going to use this often. We have a credit estimate. These are the things you can do with customer. As far as customer is concerned, we have income tracker. From with income tracker, you can use this one to track your income, which one is due for payment and the rest. So you have a lot of things to do to track with income tracker. We also have the item list from here. You can get from here. You can also get your item list. So we have payment reminder. You have sales finances and the rest. So there are a lot of things that you can always check out under customer tab. So we also have the menu under menu called vendors. Just like the customer, a lot of things you can do under vendors are also shown here. We have bill tracker where you can track your bills also. So we have employee, we have banking, we have reports, and you can see from the report, there are a lot of reports that we can actually um, use under QuickBooks. Then we have windows. So from the windows, this shows the window here will show all the open windows. You can see currently with open income tracker, my company, this and that. And sometimes when you have a lot of windows open, you can close all by select close all. So all the windows will close at the same time. Then you can go back to home. So you can always go back to your home company and go back to home page. So the home page will show, and then we have the app button. So here you can also see the lot of things you can do here. This has to do with the QuickBooks, and if you need help about how to do certain things, you can always click on the app or contact us. So here we're going to show you some of the things that you can ask questions and see some text responses that has been provided by QuickBooks or any of the contributors. So to this, we get to the end of getting around the QuickBooks on page. And in the next class, we're going to look at how to open and close QuickBooks desktop. Thank you very much.